Good afternoon, I'm here today to talk about our chrome trumpet bass. So we have here the chrome trumpet bass, one of the best sellers. Goes particularly well in the office market for breakout and for sort of bistro areas. This one is a dining height with a white MFC diameter top. It's also available in coffee and in poser. It's a weighty bass made of cast iron with a chrome finish to it. You've got adjustable feet underneath on all of them. So if customer has a unstable floor, unstable surface, you can adjust those to make it stable, which is very important. It's quite a sturdy bass as well, with the large taking up to a 1200 diameter top.